Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to add your favorite stickers from sticker.ly to Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, download the sticker.ly from the Play Store or App Store. After you have downloaded it, simply open it and make sure to log into your account. After you have logged in, you will see thousands of stickers here, or you can also create your own stickers. You can create a regular stickers or animated one. After you have selected your favorite stickers, simply download it or simply save it to your gallery. Now to import the export to Telegram, sticker.ly doesn't support direct exportation to Telegram, but don't worry, I'll show you a quick workout. Save stickers as image. Simply save the sticker you want and save it as image. After you have saved it as image, simply use Telegram sticker bot. Open the Telegram. After opening the Telegram, simply search here stickers bot or @stickers bot. After searching it, you will see many of the bots. Now start the bot, select create a new pack and upload your saved sticker images one by one. Follow the bot's instruction to name and publish your pack. And that's it, you have successfully added sticker.ly stickers to Telegram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your favorite sticker pack, and I'll see you in the next one.